Hello. For problem number 19, our goal was to solve, which means that we want to get x by itself. So if you remember, when we go to solve, we kind of have to do the order of operations in reverse order. So typically, as in with this case here, we're going to undo our addition subtraction stuff first. So what that means is I have this -7 right here that's being added to this x divided by 9. I need to get the x divided by 9 piece by itself before I can get x by itself. So to do that, I'm going to have to undo that -7. And to undo that -7 means I'm going to add 7 to both sides. When I do that, -7 and a +7 are going to cancel, leaving me with the x divided by 9 on the left. And then I have -6 plus 7 will give me a +1. Now what I'm left with is I'm left with x divided by 9. So to undo division, remember, we have to multiply both sides by the denominator, or in this case, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. So when I do that, my 9s are going to cancel, leaving me with x, and then I have 1 times 9, which is just 9. And this here would be my final answer. Please let me know if you guys have any other questions. Otherwise, have a great night and have a great holiday weekend.